Donald Trump has announced a fresh tariff push after the Supreme Court ruling. The president has cited longer yet effective legal options that he can invoke to continue his tariff-driven policies. But do they pack the same punch as IEEPA? Well, with IEEPA curtailed, the administration's remaining options lie mainly under Section 301 and Section 122 of the Trade Pact of 1974. Section 301 allows the U.S. Trade Representative to investigate unfair foreign trade practices and impose retaliatory tariffs. However, investigations can take up to 12 months in cases not tied to trade agreements, limiting rapid actions. Section 122 provides faster authority. It allows the president to impose temporary import surcharges of up to 15% for a maximum of 150 days to address serious balance of payments issues. No prior investigation is needed, but any extension beyond 150 days requires congressional approval. Another legal tool occasionally discussed in trade policy debates is Section 338 of the Tariff Act of 1930. Well, Section 338 gives the president authority to impose additional duties of up to 50%. Unlike Section 301 of the Trade Pact of 1974, Section 338 does not require a lengthy investigation by the U.S. Trade Representative. However, it does require a formal finding of discriminatory practices. In practice, Section 338 has rarely been used in modern times. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent has previously acknowledged these alternatives that are less powerful and less flexible than IEEPA. It's important to note that markets reacted positively to the court ruling. This means that investors viewed the ruling as potential relief for companies burdened by higher input costs. But with new tariffs announced, markets are expected to remain volatile. Framing the issue as central to his economic vision, Trump reiterated that tariffs are essential to rebuilding America's manufacturing base and protecting domestic industries. Well, he argued that tariffs regenerate revenue for the United States and claimed that trading partners like India are now paying tariffs to the U.S. and not the other way around. Despite the repeated trade rhetorics, Trump now faces a narrower legal pathway and more hurdles in the tariff-driven agenda.